Welcome to our channel, Scary Dreams. As the name suggests, this channel will consist of some gruesome, spine-chilling horror tales which will give you sleepless nights. And in case, if you close your eyes, you will be woken up by your worst terrifying nightmares. The sole purpose of this channel is entertainment, and we don't intend to promote or spread superstition, black magic, witchcraft, or ghosts through it. The channel does not claim the authenticity of the experiences shared by its listeners. All the characters, incidents, and names used in the story are fictitious. Resemblance to any person, living or dead, is purely coincidental. Fear is a small word consisting of just 4 letters, but it has the capacity to hold back even the brave hearts to stay away from doing a dangerous task. Today, the entire world is living in the constant fear of the so-called novel coronavirus. The fear of this virus is such that people are scared to step out of their house and roam freely even in their neighborhood, shake hands with their friends, hug their loved ones, or even breathe freely without wearing a mask. This pandemic hasn't spared even the largest democracy in the world, that is India, which has led to a complete lockdown in the country, just like all other countries on this planet. Every individual today is confined within the 4 walls of their house and are waiting for these hard times to pass by. We are confident that we will emerge victorious and the situation will return back to normal if we follow the guidelines laid down by the government authorities and remain quarantined until the situation comes under control. Since everyone is bored, either sitting idle or working from home, we have decided to entertain one and all with some stories and real-life experiences on one of the most loved subject, that is ghosts. If you too have any such spooky experiences, then do share them with us on scarydreams2020@gmail.com and we will post them on our channel. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time we come up with a new story. We will see you soon with our first story on this same channel. Until then, stay at home, be safe, and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you.